Hello friends, welcome to my channel Study Time with Vasu. Today we are going to learn shapes. First shape is circle. Which shape it is? It is circle. Next shape is square. Which shape is it? It is square. Next shape is rectangle. Shape is it? It is rectangle. Next shape is triangle. Which shape is it? It is triangle. Last shape. Which shape it is? It is oval. So circle, square, rectangle, triangle and oval. Now we will see the examples of circle. Clock. You can see in your house the clock is in circle shape. Then wheel of a bicycle. So it is also circle. Your friends would be riding it. You also. Then coin. It is circle. And swimming tube. It is also circle. Next shape is square. Now we will see which things are square. Carrot board is square. Then yummy bread slice is square. Then window which gives us light is square. And interesting, chessboard is also square. So all these things they are square. Next shape is rectangle. We will see the things which is rectangle. Like TV, you can see in your house. It is in rectangle shape. Then door, your house door, it is also rectangle. You can see in your house. Then refrigerator, everyone having a refrigerator, right? It is also rectangle. And last and most last, mobile phone, it is also rectangle. So all these things are rectangle. Now we are going to learn triangle. Which things are triangle? Oh, yummy pizza slice. So delicious. It is triangle. Then watermelon slice. Juicy watermelon. Tasty. It is in triangle shape. Then cheese slice. It is so yummy. It is in triangle shape. And old ice cream cone. It is also triangle. So all these things are in triangle shape. Next shape is oval. Which things are oval? Let us see. Watermelon is oval. It's very juicy. Then egg is oval. Cracky egg. Then mirror. This mirror is oval. And kiwi. Delicious kiwi. It is also oval. So all these things are oval. Now it's exercise time. Match the objects with shapes. We have to match the objects with shapes. Oh, Yummy, yummy. Sandwich slice. Which shape it is? It is triangle. But where is triangle? Yes, it's the last one. Got it right. Next, the baseball. It is in shape. Yeah, it is oval. You get it right. Where is oval? Yes, it's the red one, the fourth one. Let's match it. Then yummy, yummy pizza. Shape it is. It is circle. It is circle. Yes, it is the second one, the green one. Then yummy, yummy chocolate. Which shape it is? Yes, it is square. But where is square? Yes, the yellow one, the third one. Let's match it. Last one. There is one ruler. Which shape it is? Yes, it is rectangle. But where is rectangle? It's the first one. Yes, you are right. Whoopee, we done this exercise. Clap for yourselves. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Like and share my videos to your friends so they can also learn with me. Bye friends. See you next time with more.